folks, today I'm going to walk you through how to add a transfer grade for any student who's transferred into your course. Now, first I'm going to start by going to my course, and then I'm going to go to modules. Remember to always build in modules. Now, in modules, I'm going to add two different types of assignments. I'm going to add a transfer formative grade and a transfer summative grade or assignment. Now, I like to put it in week 1, so it's right at the top there. Remember, when you build a new assignment, you're going to hit that plus button and you're going to create a new assignment. I like to bold this so it's nice and big here so that I know that it is a unique assignment. So I've got a formative one. I'm also going to make a summative one. Then I'm going to press Add Item. Now from here, I'm going to click on and edit that assignment shell, press that Edit Pencil, and I'm going to look at my students' transfer grade or their grade report. At the bottom, I will note how many formative possible points they could have earned in that formative category. Then I'll repeat the same thing for the summative category. So for example, if my student could have earned 200 summative points, I'm going to add the point value here and press summative. There's no submission. I am going to sync to Skyward, and I'm going to assign a due date and make sure that it's assigned to everyone. Now, in order for the assignment to sync from Canvas to Skyward, it does need to be assigned to everyone. Also, too, it's really important that the grade gets entered into Canvas so that that student's grade matches both in Canvas and Skyward. So if you don't enter it in Canvas, then the grade is going to be inaccurate. So once I'm done, I'm going to press Save and Publish. And now I can go to my grades here, and I can edit those assignments. Now, I put both of those assignments in Module 1 here. So I can go straight to week 1 here using my filters. And you can see that I've already started to excuse students who this grade does not apply to. It's very important that you communicate with your students that these transfer formative and transfer summative grades only apply to students who've transferred in. Once I go through that process of hitting EX and excusing students, now I can start to enter the applicable scores. So for example, if my student had earned 157 out of 200 formative points, I would enter that grade. I would double check with their grade point average and make sure that that information is accurate and that their grade report from their previous class is aligned with my grade report in this class. Once I've done that, I'm going to go to Actions and I'm going to press Sync to the SIS. So I'm going to sync to Skyward. And then I can go into Skyward and edit some important information. So once I go to Skyward here, I'm going to go to that course that I've just synced over the transfer formative and transfer summative grades. Now, this part of the process is really important because I don't want students to be able to look up in Skyward that the average for the score here. So you can see that there's an average that's calculating with my students. So I'm going to actually go to Assignment Display. And once I'm in editing of the actual assignment in Assignment Display, I'm going to uncheck Show Average Score of the Assignment and Show Average Score of the class grade. Then I'm going to press Save. What that does is that ensures that my students won't be able to see what that average score, you can see I've taken that off here, so they won't be able to determine what that transfer student's grades are based off of the information that they see in Skyward. So going through this process is really, it was really important to make sure that your grade books match, and it's really important too that students don't have access to viewing any other students' grades. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, walk through this process, and good luck syncing those grades over to Skyward.